We're on Government Road at the intersection with the IP Road. We're going to start going down the IP Road. We've gone a few hundred feet. We've reached a what appears to be a boundary, and we think we've just entered the no-let lot. Here's a view down the boundary of the no-let lot. Here's a boundary line for the Penobscot Experimental Forest and the Maine Forest and Logging Museum. Across the street it looks like possibly a boundary line. Also an old sign that appears to say Experimental Forest, at least at one time. We've left the no-let lot and we've come to a gate that goes to some private property on the left-hand side of the IP Road. This is a view down the IP Road headed towards the bridge. This is a bridge over Blackman Stream, so we're now on the original museum property. Here's a small clearing just after the bridge. These appear to be old bridge planks, and we believe the boundary for the Haynes lot is in this area. It's not very clear though where it is. We're continuing down the IP Road on the Haynes lot. We've now reached the gate on the left on our property that goes to some private property. This gate is locked and the road hasn't been used for a while. This is a view of the Haynes lot from the IP Road. And here's a road off to the right, which means we've just gone beyond the Haynes land boundary. We think this is the boundary line on the crossing of the IP Road of the Haynes lot. We can see some trees on one side. On the Haynes lot, they look like they may have been cut, and these are a little bit smaller. This is the biggest pine we've seen from IP Road. This pine is about 22 inches in diameter. We're now going down the gated path to see what's down here. This is one of the better pines on the property. It's maybe about 20 inches in diameter. This may be the boundary of the Haynes land, with the Haynes land on the right. Here's the road going back to the gate. Here's one of the bigger pines on the Haynes land. It's perhaps 20 inches in diameter. Another pine by the gate, perhaps 20 inches in diameter. We're now going back the IP Road, and this is Haynes land on both sides. Here's a view on the Maine Museum campus lot. These are some trees on the main campus.